If you're watching this video, you weren't sure either how we got the solution or how we got the graph to work the way we did. For the first one, if it's n minus 0.3, we can do that inverse operation. The opposite of minus is plus. So we add 0.3 to both sides. We get that 1.2 is greater than or equal to n. Now, if 1.2 is greater than n, 1.2 is bigger than n, 1.2 is going to be bigger than 1. 1.2 is greater than 1. And so 1 could be a solution to that inequality. If we're looking at 1.2 is greater than or equal to n, 1.4 would not be greater than n. And so the arrow has to go to the left. And since it could be equal to n, we shade that in. For the second one, similar idea, it's negative 3 plus t. So when I'm doing these problems, I know I have to get rid of this negative 3. It has to go away, so I have t all by itself. To get rid of a negative 3, I can add 3. You could also subtract negative 3, which would be the same thing. If I add 3 to both sides, 2.5 plus 3 is 5.5. So 5.5 is greater than t, but not equal to t. So 5.5 is not quite going to work. So we have an open circle. If 5.5 is greater than t, 5.5 is not greater than 6. 5.5 is greater than 5. And so you can go to the left with that arrow as well. And that's how we get those solutions.